Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is the build by Archive or Misquit on the workshop, that's the name. But Archive has been someone who has been building, I guess the best way to say it is he's been building like voxel scenes in Stormworks. And so I wanted to show you some of those because they're only kind of hidden away on my Discord. He hasn't actually released anything but this bridge. So I just kind of wanted to show you kind of what's possible in Stormworks from like a voxel building program, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll show you what I mean, and you can take a look at these. But I'm going to bring some images in from Discord, and you can check them out. So let's get started. So first off, we have these beautiful images that he posted in my Discord, which is like of a city called Osiris. And as you can see, there's a lot of detail. He's got the sailboats, and it's just really a work of art. Like if Stormworks probably could handle this much better, these would be amazing things to build. So what I think would be really cool, and I know Deltars isn't paying attention, but if there was a way to build structures in Stormworks, then export them to a different format that the game could then load with a map editor that is all built in, mind you, not the one that Tony and those guys are using for the NSO, but just have it automatically be able to export a vehicle build, or in this case a structure build, which would be in turn imported back into the game, and you could place structures that were super optimized because they were like natively built into the terrain. That would be amazing. So something like this, we could build it, or not me, Archive could build it, export it, and bring it back into the game and have this beautiful city structure that would not have an impact on, you know, the FPS and stuff like that. So that would be a really cool feature. But let's just look at the images and dream about what could be, or could not be. Whatever, you know what I mean. So here's another one. This is a bunker, and this is San Minerva, I guess. And it's kind of like a, I don't know what era that would be from, but it's kind of a cool bunker. All right, next up we have this kind of cool little village. Kind of reminds me of like a Pirates of the Caribbean like set village, if you've ever been to Disneyland. But this one has like a submarine, and I guess it's kind of a World War II era. But very cool. It's got a lot of character. And as you can see, it's kind of like an artistic piece. You know, the windows are just blackened out, and it's kind of like photoed in a way to just kind of make it like a render of a village, or a little, what do you call those things? Diorama. Yeah. So very cool. Next up, we have a fence with a dog. And I don't know. It just looks cool. Look at the grass and the dirt and the little tree and the fence. I don't know. Very cool. Artwork. Very nice. This one is called the Village of Freithof, and as you can see, it's kind of like run down, damaged, asking for peace. So it's very cool. You can see Archive does really well with grass and dirt and using the blocks in the game. So I don't know how much XML editing is being done, but Archive, if you're watching, let us know in the comments below how much XML editing you do. Here's another shot from another side where the container is. Right, here's another one. This one is with like a rocket launching, which is really cool with like, you know, the little palm trees and grass and a little bridge there. It's really cool artwork. This one's cool. It's just kind of like a little test bed, and it kind of shows like how he's building in like, I guess, a grid and using the different blocks as a kind of like a paint platter. What do they call those things? I don't know what they're called, but like an artist platter. I don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comments below. I can never remember these things. Anyways, yeah, so it's got the ground all broken up. Looks really cool. And finally, the last images we have are the West Side Bridge, which is the one that you can download in the description if you want to check it out. And that was for Frantic's Challenge, so you might want to check it out. So anyways, that's all the images that Archive has posted in the Discord. So if you want to see more as they post them, you might want to join my Discord. Link is in the description. Check for the Archive Builder channel, and you'll find that's where they post all their cool builds. So before we go, one thing I did want to show you guys, if you are into doing voxel artwork, I mean, of course you could use Stormworks if you want to do that, but I did want to show you this program called MagicaVoxel, which is free. And as you can see, you can use it to build these like voxel environments. I played with it a long time ago. I think it's been updated since then, but it's really neat. And it does like lighting and everything like that, and you can export the builds to different 3D programs. So I don't know, I thought I would just add this at the end of the video. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Again, it is free, and I think they use it for teardown as well, the game Teardown. So if you're interested in doing voxel art, this might be something you want to look at. Or just build in Stormworks like Archive. Whatever. Anyways, that's it for today. This, of course, is the West Side Bridge for Frantic's Challenge. You can download this in the description below if you want to see Archive's artwork inside of Stormworks instead of screenshots. And remember, if you are enjoying these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. And, if possible, ring the bell so it goes ding-dong when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I was planning on releasing a plane, but instead I thought, you know what? Let's just show off some artwork. So that's what we did. I will see you next time. And don't forget, you can download this bridge and see it inside Stormworks instead of an image. So, link is in the description. Alright guys, I will see you next time.